I walked through the paint booth today, and this is on the Cadillac. All the bolts and small parts. These are hubcap covers. All the bumper fillers and the tag holders. And this is the bumper fillers. Well, it's kind of a mix of front and rear there. And that's the deck panel. And as you can see, all the other parts are sitting here waiting for me to paint these 26 different little pieces that go back on this Cadillac. Now these big fillers here for the rear bumper, aftermarket junk. I'm going to have to spend a lot of time repairing those before I can paint them, because they ain't going to look very good. There's Cadillac just sitting there waiting for all of its parts to get back on.